discover the ultimate gear for your next outdoor adventure with these 15 secret Amazon camping gadgets you need now. From compact tools to innovative survival essentials, each item is designed to make camping safer, easier, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or weekend camper, these clever finds will completely transform your wilderness experience. CAMPRIG Outdoor GUARIAN. The CAMPRIG Outdoor Guardian is a cutting-edge, portable radar-based motion sensor designed for adventurers who value safety off the grid. Using advanced 5.8 GHz radar detection, it can identify human or animal movement without relying on Wi-Fi or internet, making it perfect for remote campsites, hiking trails, or van life. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits into any gear setup while offering over 30 hours of continuous operation on a single charge. With instant alerts sent to a handheld receiver, you'll always know when something approaches. Built tough with IPX5 water resistance, the Outdoor Guardian is your sixth sense in the wild. XENONEST Air Tent. The XENONEST Air Tent is the world's first two-story inflatable tent, redefining outdoor living with innovation and style. Handcrafted in Korea, this unique air tent combines modern design, durability, and spacious comfort for campers who want more than just a shelter. Its clever structure provides two functional levels, perfect for families or groups seeking both privacy and adventure. Quick and easy to set up, XENONEST ensures hassle-free camping while offering unmatched versatility. Launching soon on Kickstarter this March, it will be available in the USA, France, Germany, Australia, Turkey, and Canada. Elevate your camping experience with XENONEST. IKAMPER Disque. L'IKAMPER Disque est un système de cuisson modulaire innovant qui redéfinit l'expérience culinaire en plein air. Inspiré de la tradition du discada, né dans le sud-ouest des États-Unis, il combine robustesse et polyvalence. Léger et facilement transportable, il s'adapte à toutes les situations, debout, assis, sur un feu de camp ou un sol irrégulier. Sa conception durable garantit une performance fiable pour toutes vos aventures, que ce soit en camping, en randonnée ou lors d'un simple pique-nique. Plus qu'un réchaud, le Disco transforme vos repas en véritables moments de partage et de convivialité. AEROPRESS Go. The AEROPRESS Go is a compact, travel-friendly coffee maker designed for coffee lovers who want great flavor on the move. Perfect for road trips, camping, or daily use, it delivers smooth, rich coffee without the need for a grinder. Using pre-ground coffee, you can easily brew a fresh cup anywhere by following simple steps. Set up, brew, and enjoy. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for packing, while the quick brewing process ensures convenience without compromising taste. If you enjoy this guide, remember to like and subscribe for more. AEROPRESS. Go tips, tricks, and brewing tutorials. Happy coffee adventures. LOVROK 7-in-1 Lantern. The LOVROK 7-in-1 Modular camping lantern is the ultimate outdoor companion for adventurers seeking versatility and reliability. Built with 7 unique modes, it seamlessly transforms into a flashlight, lantern, emergency light, and more, covering all your lighting needs in one compact device. Its durable construction ensures it withstands rugged outdoor conditions, while the long-lasting battery provides hours of dependable brightness. Whether you're camping, hiking, or preparing for emergencies, the LOVROK lantern guarantees convenience and peace of mind. Portable, powerful, and multifunctional, it's the perfect gear to elevate your outdoor experience. Discover why adventurers everywhere trust the LOVROK 7-in-1 lantern. YOOATOM Origin 800. The YOOATOM Origin 800 is a revolutionary modular power station designed for flexibility and convenience. Featuring detachable power stacks, it lets users expand or swap batteries for virtually unlimited energy. With AI voice control and app connectivity, managing power becomes seamless and smart. The Origin 800 supports solar, AC, and USB-C recharging, while also offering wireless charging for compatible devices. Its 13 output ports ensure compatibility with a wide range of electronics, from laptops to household appliances. An intuitive LCD screen provides real-time monitoring, while the built-in UPS function guarantees uninterrupted power. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for home or outdoor use. AUSPIT Spit GRILI. The AUSPIT Spit Grill is the ultimate portable rotisserie system, designed for campers and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Built from durable stainless steel with rugged construction, it withstands heat, dust, and tough conditions. Its tool-free design makes setup and takedown quick, while the compact, lightweight frame packs easily into a carry bag. Featuring a battery-operated motor with an 8kg capacity and up to 30 hours of runtime, it ensures consistent rotation for perfectly cooked meats. The 1-meter stainless steel skewer and prongs hold everything securely, while the patented carrier bracket adds reliability. AUSPIT delivers authentic charcoal-flavoured meals anywhere adventure takes you. KLYMALOFT. The KLYMIT Insulated. KLYMALOFT redefines outdoor sleeping comfort with its smart blend of foam and air technology. Designed for 4-season adventures, it boasts an impressive ASTM R value of 7.0, ensuring excellent insulation even in cold conditions. The plush foam topper contours to your body, relieving pressure points for a restful night, while the durable I-beam air chambers provide stability and loft, balancing comfort, packability, and weight. This pad is ideal for camping or extended trips. Available in 3 versatile sizes: regular, extra large, and double. The insulated KLYMALOFT is built to deliver cozy, reliable rest wherever your journey takes you. BEAVERCRAFT, a X1 hatchet. The BEAVERCRAFT. AX1. Hatchet is a compact, multi-purpose tool built for bushcraft, carving, camping, and everyday outdoor tasks. Forged from durable materials, this axe combines strength and precision in a portable size, making it an essential companion for adventurers. Its ergonomic handle and balanced weight ensure comfort during long use, whether you're carving spoons, splitting firewood, or preparing camp essentials. The included sheath offers safety and convenience on the go. Designed for reliability, the AX1 delivers clean, powerful cuts without unnecessary bulk. If you're looking for a tough yet versatile hatchet, the BEAVERCRAFT AX1 is ready for any challenge. MSR WINDBUPNER. The MSR Windburner is a compact, efficient, and reliable stove system designed for outdoor cooking in all conditions. Featuring a windproof radiant burner and pressure regulator, it ensures fast boiling times and consistent performance even in cold, windy environments. Its nesting cookware design makes it portable and easy to pack, with integrated components including a pot, lid, and insulated cozy. Ideal for solo travelers or small groups, the Windburner provides unmatched convenience with minimal fuel usage. Built with durability and efficiency in mind, is the perfect companion for backpacking, camping, or alpine adventures where reliability is essential. NCAMP FOODPRERKNIFE. The NCAMP food prep knife is a premium folding chef knife designed to elevate outdoor cooking. Crafted from the finest steel, the premium model uses 9CR18 MOV, while the elite version features Damascus steel 10CR18 MOV, both offering toughness, corrosion resistance, and long-lasting edge retention. Lightweight at only 5.3 ounces, it unfolds to 10.5 inches and folds to a compact 5.7 inches, making it easy to carry. Signature cutouts reduce weight and allow for one-handed opening. With an ergonomic walnut or beechwood handle, this knife ensures comfort, balance, and proper knuckle clearance, perfect for camping, hiking, picnics, or everyday kitchen use. YAKIMA CBX Solar. The YAKIMA CBX Solar redefines rooftop cargo carriers with built-in renewable power. Featuring a sleek modern design, it integrates a sun-flare solar panel that generates 36 watts per 5 volts output, perfect for off-grid adventures. Equipped with 2 USB ports, it powers essentials like phones, tablets, lanterns, and action cameras without draining your vehicle's battery. With 16 cubic feet of storage, it securely locks your gear inside, while the easy grab lid handle ensures convenient access. The removable torque tool stows neatly away, maximizing interior space. Combining smart storage with sustainable energy, the CBX Solar is the ultimate companion for road trips, camping, and outdoor escapes. DYNAYAK N32. The DYNAYAK N32 is a rugged portable power solution built for extreme environments and demanding use. Featuring IP67 waterproof and dustproof protection, it can withstand full submersion in water and harsh outdoor conditions. Its aerospace-grade aluminum magnesium alloy casing and internal suspension system provide superior shock resistance, ensuring long-term durability. Powered by a reliable Li-Ni-CoMn ternary battery, the N32 supports fast charging in as little as 2 hours and offers multiple charging options, including solar, car, and wall outlets. With its self-cooling fanless design, portability, and LED status indicators, the DYNAYAK N32 is ideal for outdoor adventures, emergencies, and disaster readiness. MUZEN Wild Mini. The MUZEN Wild Mini is a rugged, ultra-portable Bluetooth speaker built for adventure. Despite its compact size, it delivers superb crystal-clear sound with strong volume, making it the perfect outdoor companion. With Bluetooth 5.0, it pairs in under 5 seconds, ensuring fast, stable connections and low power use. Its sturdy design, 800 mAh battery, and up to 8 hours of playtime make it ideal for travel, camping, or biking. Waterproof and durable, it even features 3 flashlight modes: high, low, and SOS for safety at night. Lightweight, stylish, and gift-ready, the Wild Mini is perfect for parties, hikes, or beach trips. ALVA Hands-Free Lighting Solution. The ALVA Hands-Free Lighting Solution is a versatile and practical rechargeable light designed for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users. Delivering 110 lumens with up to 3 hours of battery life, ALVA can be worn on wrists or ankles with adjustable silicone straps, ensuring comfort over clothing or skin. Its modular design allows the light to detach and mount to GoPro compatible or keychain mounts for added versatility. Available in white or red LEDs, it offers bright illumination or night vision friendly visibility. Waterproof IP65 and durable, ALVA is perfect for running, cycling, camping, or hands-on tasks, keeping users safe and visible anywhere.